What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to post more than 10 pictures in one post on Instagram. So let's get into the video and answer all your questions. You might see in some Instagram accounts that they post more than 10 photos, like 15 photos or 20 photos at the same time. You must know that Instagram just allows a few countries to do that. Like, to know if your country is within that region, you must go to the Chrome browser or any type of browser you are using. Then search for the countries that is allowed to post more than 10 pictures. And if your region is one of them, then you are allowed to post them in a carousel. And if it doesn't also, then you must go to the Instagram Help Center by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then head over to the hamburger menu. Here, if you scroll down, you can see an option Help under the More Info and Support section. Tap on Help, and here you can see an option Support Requests. You have to go in there and ask for to allow you to post more than 10 pictures in one post on Instagram. And hopefully Instagram, if your region is under the 20 pictures posting region, then Instagram will of course allow you within 48 to 72 hours. If it doesn't, we must request you again to ask Instagram for that. Then maybe Instagram will allow you to post more than 10 pictures in one post or a carousel on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. This is how you will post more than 10 pictures in one post on Instagram. That's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.